Hello, my name is Suzanne and I'm with Susie's Handmade Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bulky weight hat. It's very squishy and it fits very nice and it's very warm on a cold day. So let's get started. You're going to need some bulky yarn and about 100 yards and a 9mm crochet hook and some scissors and a weaving needle. So let's get started. First you're going to put a slip knot on your hook, then you're going to chain up 3, and then you're going to make 9 double crochets into the 3rd chain from the hook. Once you have your 9, you're going to slip stitch into the top of the first chain 3. So that's, you go skip over the chain 3 into the top right there. It should look like this. Next, you're going to chain up 2, and you're going to turn your work like this. Okay? And you're going to not count the chain 2, but you're going to use the same stitch as the chain 2, and you're going to place 2 double crochet into this chain. Like this. Now you're going to place 2 double crochet into each stitch around. Okay? Now that we're at the end of our work, it should look like this. We're going to skip over that chain 2, and then the top of the first chain 3, right here, we're going to slip stitch right in there. And you just finished your row 2. Now we're going to chain up 2, turn your work, and we're going to repeat the same row. So for row 3, we're going to repeat row 2. So go down back into that same chain, and it might be a little tight. You should be able to get your hook in there. Try if you have to. Then go around every stitch with 2 double crochets. At the end of this row, you should have 40 double crochets, not counting the chain 2. A good thing to remember is to always count each row, and just so that you don't have to, frog your work. It's a good reminder. So the first row should be a total of 9. You're going to count that first chain 3. The second row is 20. The third row is 40. If you hear anything in the background, that's just my roosters outside my window. They hear me in here and they like to come talk to me at the window. Okay, we're at the last stitch, and it should start to look something like this. A nice circle, actually. So we're going to skip over that chain 2 and slip stitch into that first chain 3, which is that first double crochet. Now we're going to repeat that row 2 Now we're going to chain 2 and turn. Now we're going to double crochet in every stitch around, and that would be the pattern for the remainder of the hat. So we're going to do a total of 9 rows. The whole hat is 9 rows. So we're going to have a total of 6 rows of double crochets. So we're going to get started. So the first one is a chain 2, then we're going to crochet in every stitch around. And now remember, every row you're going to slip stitch into that double crochet, skip over that chain 2, repeat the double crochet around and around, and you're going to also remember to always turn your work, and if 9 rows is not enough and you need it a little bit bigger, go 10 rounds. It's always good to try the hat on as you get near the end and see how it fits. And if you would like to share your work, you can send a picture to me on my Instagram, or you can post it to me on Ravelry. I'm going to put this pattern up on Ravelry soon, and I'll put a link to my Instagram down in my page. I'd love to see your work. I'm also on Facebook. You can post it there I have a group there, or you can post it on my page on Facebook at Susie's Handmade Crafts. But please post them. I'd love to see how you're doing and see your work. And I hope you have a great day.